Are y'all ready? If you're ready, say let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's do it. If you have difficulty finding hair products, makeup for your skin complexion, or a hairstylist/barber in your current community, take one step back. You were told by your parents that you were beautiful, smart, or successful. Take one step forward. We are going to be doing the privilege walk exercise here with these students. They do not even know it yet. I'm pretty sure this is something that they have never done before. But the point of the privilege exercise is to show these students what it is like to have privilege based on where you were born and to the families that you were born into and to the situations that you've experienced in your life. I called myself doing that exact same thing, but instead of doing what you all are doing, I decided that I want to drop out 3 times. Where I didn't have what I needed, where my own brother, he didn't have what he needed, and when my parents, they didn't have what they needed. But through a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, a lot of learning, a lot of changing, a lot of recreation, things got better. I say that to tell you all that even though you might come from things where it's not the best, where, to be honest, your circumstances really told others as well as yourself that you really should have failed, you really don't have to. I might have dropped out 2 other times after that, but I stand before you all today, traveling all around the United States to speak to classrooms just like this one. I travel all over the world. I'm able to have amazing vacations. I'm able to provide different things for my family. I'm able to donate. I'm able to do a lot of amazing things in my life because I didn't let those circumstances that I came from keep me there. A few things about this exercise before we get this bad boy going. What you're gonna wanna know is that this is an exercise. It's gonna require some truth, okay? Raise your hand if you're okay with being a little bit truthful. Cool with that? All right, don't lie to me, y'all. I do not like liars. Do not lie to me, all right? You're gonna have to be truthful. You're also gonna have to be very vulnerable. So you guys, we have everyone coming outside and it's gonna be fun. I want to warn you now, this exercise, it could potentially evoke emotion from some of your classmates here, maybe even some of your instructors. This is not an exercise that is meant to be taken lightly. This is not an exercise where there is any talking allowed during it. You cannot talk, you cannot laugh, you cannot do anything other than take steps forward or take steps back. So, as you all are navigating life, I need you all to start to practice empathy at an intentional level. Not just say it, you need to practice empathy. Empathy is being able to have an understanding of other situations and to not ignore it and act like it is irrelevant. We just finished day 1 of the 3-day workshop here at Grays Harbor College. Day 1, we really focused on doing a privilege walk. I feel like it was super duper important for the students to be able to exercise empathy as well as emotional intelligence as they navigate their journey through adulthood. We completed it, they enjoyed it, and they learned. We're ready for day 2. Let's get it.
Hi, my name is Hal Adams. I'm from the Washington State Trio program, specifically Grays Harbor, and today I did the privilege walk with Jaida Steele, and I found it to be very enlightening in the way of it just brought me into perception that everyone has different placements, and just because where you are placed does not define where you are, where you can go, and all of that sort of thing. Once again, she made it put it into perspective.
My name is Kyle. I'm from the Trio Upward Bound program, and today we did the privilege walk. I found the whole thing to be really insightful, and I learned that maybe I should be a little bit more sensitive to what I say to people.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm from Hopeplum. I'm in the Trio program, and I just did the privilege walk with Jaida Steele, and I learned that it was very eye-opening, that you can't read a book by its cover. Just another way to show you that we don't know anybody about their lives, about what they do behind closed doors.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm part of the Trio program. Today I did the privilege walk with Jaida Steele, and today honestly it made me realize that I don't really know anybody's story. Like, it made me realize I'm not alone and I always have someone to talk to relate to, and today made me feel kind of emotional, and now I can never judge a book by its cover.
Hi, my name is Rayanna Rose, and I did the privilege walk with Jaida Steele, and this made me feel like I wasn't alone and that I didn't realize that some people struggle more than others because I was all the way in the back, but I'm not gonna let it get me down, and I just want to be vulnerable and let everybody know that it's okay to struggle because we've all been there, and it's like you're never alone.
Hi, my name's Karen and I'm from Hopewell, and while doing the privilege walk, I learned a couple of things about myself and about other students. Even though we spend every day with each other, we really don't know each other's past or what we're going through at home.
My name is Michael Lick. I am the program coordinator with Trio Upward Bound, and I just took the privilege walk with the students, and I gotta say it was an amazing exercise in empathy. I wish that the students would have had this earlier in their lives, and I wish I would have had this earlier in my life. So definitely try out this program, no matter if you're a student or an adult. And yeah, thank you for letting me be in the program.
Hi, my name is Emily Schumacher. I'm the Trio Advisor at Grace Harbor College, and today our students were very lucky to join in an activity called the Privilege Walk. It's important for them to be introduced early to their own positionality and identity. And this was a wonderful first step for them to learn more about themselves, but also their peers that they spend every day with, but maybe not went in depth for, because we do have 3 schools represented in our program. We are very fortunate for them to get to learn about themselves and others, and we appreciate you joining us.